And breaking news, Yoga Guru Ramdev now has made a big statement, and he says that there are foreign countries who are funding an anti-Modi campaign right now. He alleges that there are foreign powers trying to drive out Narendra Modi out of power. Breaking that big story for us is my colleague Varun Bhansali, who gets you this exclusive conversation.
के चुनाव पर देश नहीं पूरी दुनिया की निगाहें हैं और देश के अंदर और बाहर जो राष्ट्र विरोधी ताकतें हैं और बहुत सारी क्रिश्चियन कंट्रीज, इस्लामिक कंट्रीज, वहाँ से हज़ारों करोड़ रुपए की, लाखों करोड़ रुपए की फंडिंग इस बात के लिए हो रही है कि मोदी को सत्ता में आने से रोका जाए। अरे भाई, ये तो बताओ कि मोदी ने बुरा क्या कर दिया इस देश के लिए। उस व्यक्ति की नीयत, नेतृत्व, चरित्र इस देश के हित में, और आखिर इतनी हाई तौबा क्यों एक व्यक्ति के लिए जिसका अपना घर परिवार नहीं, जिसकी भारत माता आराध्या है और राष्ट्र धर्म को अपना कर्म मान करके जो 24 घंटे भारत के लिए सोचता जीता है।
Let's also get in our colleague Varun Bhansali, who joins us on the phone line, who's been able to manage that big news break for us. Varun, what more have we heard from the Yoga Guru, and what really makes him believe that there are foreign agencies, foreign funding right now, who want to halt the Modi juggernaut?
See, Baba Ramdev has given his full statement, and he's clearly saying that Modi is the one who can lead the country again, and no one other than Modi can lead the country again. He has also said that, many other countries, the whole world is looking at India, and many other countries want those who are not developing countries, and those who doesn't want India to develop. They want that Modi should go, and that's why they are doing something or the other that he indicated, and he clearly said that a visionary person who can lead India is only Modi, and he has clearly backed Modi government. Yes, deeply.
And Varun, he also talks about foreign powers, Islamic countries, and I think we let our viewers decide what really is he alluding to. For the moment, Varun, thank you.